Hi dear. Today, I'll guide you through using a breast pump effectively and comfortably so you can get the most out of each pumping session. First, make sure your hands and all pump parts are clean and dry. Choose a calm, comfortable spot where you can relax and focus on yourself and your baby. Next, assemble your pump, attach the flange, valve, membrane, tubing, and bottle. Double check that everything fits snugly to prevent leaks and ensure smooth suction. Place the flange over your breast, centering your nipple in the tunnel. Sit upright, relax your shoulders, and take a few deep breaths to help your milk let down. Turn on the pump at a gentle setting and gradually increase to a comfortable suction level. Pump for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until your milk flow slows and your breasts feel soft and comfortable. When finished, carefully remove the flange and transfer your milk into a clean storage container. Label it with the date and time so it's ready for safe storage. Finally, wash all pump parts with warm, soapy water and let them air dry. Remember, Mama, taking care of yourself helps you take care of your baby. Thank you for watching, and happy pumping!